Let me show you a fast and efficient way of building up your neck. All you're going to require is a weight plate. So let's get started. First, warm up with the bodyweight neck curl and get a very nice pump going on. All the way down, all the way up, and squeeze. And once that blood is flowing, it's time to add some weights. So here are your options: 10, 25, or 45 pounds. Trust me, with this technique, you will not need heavy weights, which is very simple. 10 sets of 10 with 10-second rest. So, while wearing a hat, place a weight plate on your forehead and start doing the neck curl. This exercise will greatly improve the front of your neck, primarily the thickness and width. And do it the way I'm showing you. A controlled tempo. Doesn't have to be super slow now, but control it and feel the neck muscles working. Squeeze if you feel like it, but just make sure that the form is crisp and get a very nice pump. Now you're gonna wait 10 seconds, then the set begins. So you're not getting a lot of rest. Simple as that, guys. That's a simple routine, 10 by 10 neck curl with 10-second rest. And if you're a little tired towards the end, you can rest a maximum of 15 seconds. But beyond that, if you need more, trust me, you're lifting too heavy. So drop that weight, drop that ego, and do the exercise properly. Focus on the form and feel the neck doing the work. Please, don't just jump to 45 and do it this way, where you might be incorporating the arms, the lats, the abs, and even using your legs to a certain extent. Of course, that'll always be involved to a certain degree, but please, use good form. This is not a heavyweight technique. You can also put your feet up here and get more or less weight. As I'm showing you here, it's a better investment to make the exercise more difficult by elevating your feet or even doing it off a decline. At the gym, you could use weight plates. The decline will enhance the peak contraction, and when you put the feet up, same thing. It also takes out the cheating, so I definitely recommend it. And in terms of frequency, I advise that you do this workout every 48 hours, okay? And you could also do neck extensions at the same time. Same exact technique with either a plate or the neck harness. And over time, you want to increase the weight. Try to get 45 pounds as your final objective. So that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple and basic. So hope you guys enjoy this routine. Try it out and let me know how it goes for you.